Step by step, we'll light the way.
We all know vitamin D is the sunshine vitamin, essential for strong bones, but did you know it might hold the key to revolutionizing cancer treatment? Emerging research suggests that high-dose vitamin D could be a game changer in the fight against cancer. This video dives into the exciting world of vitamin D and explores its potential to prevent and treat this debilitating disease. We'll uncover how vitamin D, a simple vitamin, may hold the power to transform cancer therapy. Vitamin D is not any vitamin. It acts as a powerful hormone influencing numerous bodily functions. It's crucial for calcium absorption, ensuring strong bones and teeth beyond bone health. Vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating cell growth, boosting immune function, and protecting against chronic diseases. Its impact extends to mental health, with studies linking vitamin D deficiency to depression and mood disorders. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is essential for overall well-being. Studies show a strong link between low vitamin D levels and a higher risk of various cancers, including breast, colorectal, and prostate cancer. This discovery has led researchers to investigate the potential of high-dose vitamin D in cancer prevention and treatment. Early findings are promising, suggesting that high-dose vitamin D may slow cancer cell growth, induce cell death, and boost the immune system's ability to fight cancer. Vitamin D results are encouraging, offering hope for new and effective cancer therapies. Vitamin D exerts its anti-cancer effects through various mechanisms. It regulates the cell cycle, preventing uncontrolled cell growth that characterizes cancer. Moreover, vitamin D promotes apoptosis, a process where damaged cells self-destruct, preventing tumor formation. It also modulates the immune system, enhancing its ability to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Additionally, vitamin D inhibits angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow and spread. These multifaceted mechanisms make vitamin D a potent weapon in the fight against cancer. High-dose vitamin D shows promising benefits for various cancers, including breast, colorectal, prostate, lung, ovarian, pancreatic, melanoma, leukemia, bladder, liver, endometrial, and gastric cancers. Vitamin D's mechanisms of action include cell cycle regulation, apoptosis, induction, immune modulation, and inhibition of angiogenesis. While evidence is still emerging, high-dose vitamin D could potentially serve as an adjuvant therapy to enhance the effects of traditional cancer treatments, reduce tumor growth, and improve survival outcomes. Contact us at Find Help for Cancer for the ideal integrative holistic clinic for you.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the need of integrative and holistic treatments for you or your family member, please feel free to reach out to us at findhelpforcancer.com. We'll start with a simple conversation and help point you in the right direction. Happy to help.